So now that I've assessed the damage here in this messy bathroom, I want to work towards change. So the first thing I need to do is purge. And what purge means is get rid of the trash and get rid of anything that you no longer want. Whether it means donating it, giving it to a friend, or putting it in the recycling bin. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's take a look at this messy makeup junk drawer. And I automatically know that this is going to be trash because it's no longer sterile. So I'm going to put that into the trash. And so what you want to be thinking about when you are purging is it's not getting rid of things that you really, really need. It's getting rid of things to create more space to love the things that you really like in your life and the things that you really love. Because creating space creates better energy in your home and a more functional life. You also want to check expiration dates. So if any medicine is expired, that's automatic trash. This is still good. This is trash. Trash. And then you also want to think about, for instance, I might not like the way that this lotion smells, but it's a perfectly good bottle. No reason to keep something around, or if you've got duplicates, of 10 different types of products, then you want to pass those on because those are just taking up too much space in your bathroom. So, if I don't really like the smell of this, but I have a good friend, I'm going to put this in a new home because it's going to get a new home. So you don't need to be thinking about categorizing right now so much as getting rid of trash and getting rid of anything that belongs someplace else, such as, sunglasses don't usually belong in a bathroom, and neither does gum. So I'm going to put these in a new home category also. Same thing with jewelry. And this really needs to be an objective process, not subjective, because when you agonize over it's a really long time. So try to be a little bit ruthless in the beginning, and that's really going to reap all the benefits of an organized bathroom. So that's purging, and we're on to the next thing, which is categorizing.